You should talk into a fan. 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 You should talk into a fan.
Like this hot, like, maid, like Mexican chick dressed as a maid outside all hot.
Tell me how.
She has, like, her breasts are, like, wet and they're, like, glistening.
Glistening.
Oh, Patrick's here!
Jake,
What?
did you hear about that?
What?
Did you, Jake, are you listening?
Yeah.
Did you hear about that woman who gave birth to her 16th child?
16th?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
Is this a joke?
Huh?
Oh, I thought that might have been a joke, like a setup.
No. Just a little interesting fact I came across today.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't hear that.